All right. So today, don't worry, today we are not learning. Kind of. We are learning actually. But let's play a game. This game, the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H to Z. Each question I'll be asking would have their answers starting from each of the alphabet. What do I mean? Like, for example, I'll start with A. I will ask a question. Just the clue I will give you to answer that question is that answer starts with A. So I will start. Of course, the first question, the answer would start with A. A. What is the legal term for a judgment that a person is not guilty of a crime? What would be the resultant effect? What's the legal term? I'll give you 5 seconds. Acquittal. The next one, the answer will start with letter B. What is the temporary release of an accused person while awaiting trial called? The temporary release of an accused person while awaiting trial, what's it called? Bail. I will not wait for you. You have to think fast. This one starts with C. What is the supreme law of Nigeria called? Constitution. It's simple, Abby. Let's still continue. This one starts with D. What do you call the person accused of committing a crime in court? They have brought the person to court. What do you call him? Defendant. This one starts with E. What do lawyers present in court to prove facts in a case? What do lawyers present in court to prove facts in a case? Evidence. The next one starts with F. What is a serious criminal offense usually punishable by imprisonment of 3 years and above? Felony. The next one will start with a G. What legal process allows money to be taken from someone's bank account or salary to pay a debt? Garnishee or garnishment. This next one will start with an H. What is the legal term for the unlawful killing of another person? Homicide. Am I fast? This one will start with an I. What court order requires a person to do or stop doing something? I gave you a lot of time for this one. Injunction. This one starts with a J. What is the official decision made by a court called? What is the official decision made by a court called? Judgment. This other one starts with a K. What crime involves taking a person away illegally by force and holding the person captive? Kidnapping. This one starts with an L. What is the process of taking legal action in court called? Litigation. This one starts with an M. What Latin legal term refers to the guilty mind in criminal law? Mens rea. This one starts with an N like November. What legal concept refers to failure to take proper care resulting in damage or injury? I'll not repeat myself. Negligence. This one starts with an O. What do lawyers say in court when they challenge a question or a statement? They have what? I'm even giving you a clue. An objection. This other one starts with a P. What is the person who brings a civil lawsuit in a federal high court in Nigeria called? Plaintiff. Of course, high court, state high court is claimant in some jurisdiction, child. This one starts with a Q or cure. What legal word means to officially reject or cancel a court proceeding, especially on appeal? Quash. Say this decision was quashed by the Court of Appeal. This one is R. What standard of proof must the prosecution establish in a criminal case? Reasonable doubt. Beyond reasonable doubt, actually. So we are looking at arrow. I couldn't find any arrow something. So just remove the B. Just use reasonable doubt. Okay. This one starts with an S. What legal document orders a person to appear in court to give testimony? That's a witness, to summon a witness to court. Subpoena. This one starts with a T. What branch of law deals with civil wrongs and compensation? Tort. This one starts with a U. What term describes an accused who is still awaiting trial? Under trial. This one starts with a V. What is the formal decision reached by a judge called? Yeah, I know we've done J, judgment. So this one V. What's it called? It starts with V. Verdict. W. This one starts with a W. What legal document authorizes a police to make an arrest or search? Warrant. This one starts with an X. What term describes hatred or prejudice against people from other countries or cultures? Xenophobia. I couldn't find anyone for Y, so I'm still thinking. If you know anyone for Y, anything that Y, anyone for Y, just drop it down at the comment section. So this other one starts with a Z. What policy refers to strict enforcement with no exceptions for offenses? Zero tolerance. We have come to the end of our alphabetical quiz, A to Z. How many did you get? I'll see you on the next one. Take care.